Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I wanted to spotlight Ute Luppertz, who is an animal communicator. This is what Ute has to say about herself. She says, "I facilitate the bond between people and their pets, creating peace from the inside out." She's an animal communicator, does pet hospice support. She's a pet death doula, deals with Reiki and behavior and wellness. Now, Ute also lives in Portland, Oregon, my neck of the woods, and as an avid animal lover myself, I have such deep respect for the work that she does. Since I graduated from South Dakota State University and moved into an apartment of my own in Phoenix, Arizona, actually, the longest I have ever gone without a furry kid was 7.5 weeks. And that was actually after my husband and I lost our beloved cat, Lady Jane, at the age of 17 in May of 2020. I have lost aunts, uncles, some dear friends, my grandparents, but Lady Jane, that was the hardest grieving I have ever had. And so my husband and I, it took us about 7.5 weeks to feel that we were ready to adopt another kitten this time. And her name is Lynn. And we got her from Hazel's House, which is a fantastic home-based shelter in Newberg, Oregon. So if you're looking for a cat, I highly recommend you check out Hazel's House here in Oregon. And please donate to them. But back to Ute. So I have worked with animal communicators in the past, or pet psychics, as I suppose you could say, and it's always been helpful for me, as we do share an emotional language with our dogs, our cats, horses, bunnies, guinea pigs, but we still have need of help sometimes in understanding what they're trying to tell us in their own language and with their behavior. And so animal communicators can help with that. And as you can see with Ute's skills, many other things. Now, I loved this article she recently posted here on LinkedIn, and I just wanted to highlight a few of the things that she recommends for how to make your dog's life more joyful and to bring your awareness to your dog's experience. So here are a few suggestions that she had in this article. Provide mentally stimulating toys, good chews, games, and other activities to prevent boredom. She says canine enrichment also includes play, play, play. This can be with the above mentioned toys or with chase games, peekaboo, hide and seek. Now, frankly, this sounds a little bit like what we play with our cat, although we call it peek around the corner and run down the hallway. Yes, that's a game we play with Lynn here at home. And Ute also says, let your dogs choose what is worthy of extensive sniffing and let them read their pee mail as long as they want. Pee mail. I love that. But I love this final suggestion the most. Most importantly, accept them for who they are. Just like us, our dogs are over the moon when we let go of attempts to change them and love them just the way they are. So check out the work of Ute Luppertz here on LinkedIn. And again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. You can find me and schedule your free consultation at laurahandke.com. Thanks for joining me for this video today. I'll see you again soon.